as basic as don't use polythene. That's something that I stopped doing quite some time back.
Okay.
My staff is instructed to carry their own cloth bags when they go for vegetable shopping.
Okay.
So we use those no plastic, those disposable plastic glasses. Of course, as in college and even much later, till about 3 4 years, 3 years back, to be honest, if there's a party at home, you'll get disposable stuff. So I've stopped doing that
Okay.
completely. And if I'm just be more paper conscious as well now, because everything, it's a digital age. We don't need to waste paper.
That's
so
right.
in fact, even in films now, when we are sent our scripts, they prefer to email it to us than a hard copy.
Oh,
and it's written
wonderful.
at the end of the script that save paper, go digital.
Okay.
Yeah. So that something as simple as, I don't know if people are aware, but you leave your switches on with your chargers plugged in, and the phone is not charging and you forget, right? But that's also consuming a lot of electricity.
And every home has multiple gadgets like
Multiple
that.
gadgets like that. And it's huge if you start saving just that much. Or running water, it irritates me if I see running water. Like I can slap a person if their water is running and they're brushing their teeth.
I know, it's so
so annoying and
irresponsible.
irresponsible.
Yeah.
I feel like saying, okay, all the water that you've wasted, now you're not going to get water to drink. Now I'm not going to give you water for 3 days. If I could say, I would say that.
Right.
So I think all these small practices, Shilpa, none of this is difficult. I'm not even saying start wearing sustainable clothing. People might find it very difficult, but reuse your clothes. I do. I have been papped a million times in the same pairs of jeans. You use those 10 pairs over and over again. I mean,
You're
you don't
very
have to-
simple that way when I see, other than, your profession demands you to be a
Yes,
certain way.
yes.
But otherwise, you're super simple as a person and you're
Very.
no fuss. Very, very easy to handle.
I find it a headache, to be honest. I like to dress up and do this thing and can't repeat my
Right.
shoes, and I do repeat. So why not?
Right. No,
if you like
absolutely.
something, you repeat it. Minimize food wastage. I hate it when people waste food. These are all small things, but they're
add
extremely
up.
important. There's so many people who don't get food. Where does the food that we leave in our plates go? There's not proper system of recycling or composites or bins, and it's litter.
Right.
So minimize food wastage. I'm not even saying here stop meat consumption, because that leaves a lot of carbon imprint, but reduce it or be more conscious of it.
Is
And even
that
if
why
have to-
you stopped eating?
No, that was a
non-veg?
different reason.
Reason?
That was a
Okay.
different reason. The whole meditation vibe, I wasn't feeling it. I was feeling that,
Your body was not.
yeah, I mean, I
Taking
just
it.
wanted to be away for it for a while.
Okay.
So yeah, but I think all these small practices of whether it's saving water at home or electricity at home or
Paper.
paper or plastic can really add up to a lot.
Yeah, true. Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's simple, but
It's very
if you do
simple
it
if you do it.
collectively,
We're so many people, Shilpa, we're billions.
right.
And if each one of us decides that we're not going to see, the thing is also, I feel the problem is that again there's not enough awareness, or everyone thinks, nah, it's not bothering me, so why?
You are creating awareness through this show right now.
I really hope that people understand the importance of it, but there are so many people who think, how does it matter? What's going to happen? It's going to happen when it's your child which will not be able to breathe tomorrow.
Correct.
And you'll see that in front of your eyes. It's a collective effort.
True.
Because whether you talk about global warming or you talk about the climate change that's happening or erratic rainfalls that are happening, suddenly
They're
it
all
starts
real.
raining. It's all real. Volcano eruptions that are happening, they're real.
People think global warming is the problem of next generation, but it is now.
It's now.
It is now.
It's now. It starts raining in August sometimes. It'll suddenly rain in December. It rains off season, right? So the crops get damaged. It's a cycle. I can just go on and on. There's your major ozone layer depletion that has happened. You know, high. So see, everything is interlinked. When a river is bad, right? The river water is completely contaminated. When there's ozone layer depletion, the UV rays are entering. that radiation, which is the unwanted radiation, is causing so much more cancer cases, so many more cancer
absolutely.
cases, and so many
Even
more
among young
diseases,
children
even
now.
among young children. Why? So it's not that cancer has happened and take chemo. It's because we as a society are not responsible enough. We're not taking it as a collective responsibility that we are okay, we'll go now after a few years, but our kids and the next kids. So if you're that selfish and you want the future generations to suffer, then
Yeah, they say we are living like we are the last generation of people on the planet.
literally. And if things go this way, I won't be surprised.
By the time we are towards the end of our lives, probably we'll see some major disasters too.
I mean, I feel COVID would have taught people that nature is, you can't fight nature.
Absolutely
You
not.
can't,
We are too small
we
for
are too
it.
small, we are negligible on the face of this planet, and because we have a brain and we have a language and we think that we can control everything and we've got it, we don't know anything.
Yeah, true,
One natural calamity and you're all gone, and that happens because of our actions.
true, absolutely.